Tuesday, March 23rd at 9:30 a.m., Able Auctions will be holding a live, online-only helicopter service auction and office auction. Let's see what we got going on here. Lots of helicopter service tools. Oh, here's some fuel transfer pumps. It's a nice little snap-on kit there. Heat gun. There's lots of workbenches. Look at this neat scope. Here's a Starrette calibrated work surface right there. It's even got a clamp on the side to hold your work down. It's got its own cover. It's on a mobile cart. Beautiful, nice and easy to move out. Firmware kits, blade sculpting tools, all in nice Pelican style hard cases. Here's some data programming software and interface box. What do we got over here? I mean, where are you guys gonna find interesting things like this that come up for auction? Lots of workbenches, lots of tools, tons of racking. Let's go over into the racking room here, and then you can see all the different racking. Easy Rec style racking, all adjustable, beautiful shape. Bay after bay of racking. Unfortunately, the helicopter parts don't go, but you do get some nice racking. Here's a pigeonhole one all ready for you. Couple more bays back here. We can go out into the hangar. There's some nice tools out there. Drill press. We'll just make our way out there quickly. Lots of office equipment coming up in this one too. As we go towards the hangar, we'll make our way over. You can see the nice reception counter here. Modular style one. They've even got the Lexan. You can have the Lexan too. So you're all ready to go. Get your office. Some servers, all completely wiped, ready to go. Consumable cabinets, shorter 4-foot ones, the full height 6-foot ones, 6-foot high ones. A nice fume extraction system right here. They've got it all boxed up on the bottom to keep it nice and clean. Beautiful shape. Shop stairs, parts washer, ladders. Here you go, we've got a pallet mover lifter right there. Hand operated and electric lift. In the lockup here, we've got some helicopter torque wrenches with their calibration and certifications right there underneath. Couple small weigh scales, aluminum sawhorses. Here we got a combo belt sander, upright drill press, more consumable cabinets, clamps, metal benders, rivet guns, everything you're going to need to do a little startup or just to outfit your shop. Get it all set so you can do some very intricate projects. Lots of stuff all around down here. Lots of benches that you can get. Office equipment. Keep an eye out. The auction again is Tuesday, March 23rd at 9:30 a.m. Preview for that will be Monday, March 22nd from 10 to 5. And the location is 4240 Agar Drive in Richmond. That's 4240 Agar Drive in Richmond. Hope to see you there.